10. All right. Any other guesses? Yeah. Okay. What did you say? 5 pounds. Okay. 7. Who else? 9. 20. I'm like an auctioneer. We have 5. We have 20. We have 10. Yeah. 15. Actual answer? He weighs between 2 and 3 pounds. So birds deceptively very lightweight. Gabby weighs about a pound. Fiesta around 2 pounds, a little over, and Rio about 2.5 pounds. So deceptively very lightweight. Even a big bird like a bald eagle only weighs between roughly 8 and 12 pounds, even though a bald eagle has wings as long as my arm. So, yeah, deceptively very, very lightweight. You have feathers, mostly hollow bones, a beak instead of teeth. Really not much to a bird to be able to do all that.
So how much does a robin weigh?
Well, I can tell you how much a cardinal weighs because we actually got a cardinal on a scale this summer, and they weighed 40 grams. So what that means in pounds, I don't know. I just know that roughly a little over 400 grams is a pound. So what 40 grams is, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, no. One of the trainers inadvertently trained him to do this in the morning. This way of getting attention.
It works.
Yep. So that's the thing, is that without knowing it, they train you a lot of times faster than you train them. Because, for instance, the screaming gets your attention, or saying something charming or something cute. A lot of times the most reinforcing thing is simply looking at them and your attention. So if they do something goofy, or if they're screaming incessantly in the other room, you notice when you go in, they stop screaming. When you go out, they start screaming. Then they were just reinforced for screaming. That gets you into the room, and their brain, oh, I got to do is scream, and then you'll come back. So it's very, yes. Before you start to see, they're very disruptive. Before you start disrupting.
Aww, it's so cute.
Are there any other questions about Rio or birds? So that's a great question. Most of our parents have come in at different times. Now, when you see big flocks living together, a lot of times they were raised together, so they're used to each other and growing up as babies. These guys all came in at different times, so most of the time you can't put them in together because they will fight. There's only a couple that we can put in a bigger aviary and they'll get along, but for the most part, they would try to chase each other around and fight because they just came in at different times. So even our little flock of all different species of parrots, there's a little bit of a hierarchy in their own kind of where they fit and who the shy ones are. For instance, even though he's the biggest one,